Hello. Today we introduce this our new model stamping machine, and this machine is structured material in cast area and very heavy. And this one, the shaft is inside is empty, and this is solid. It makes the machine is very heavy and stable. Now, it's very stable. And this one, and light. And this better than shipping freight, very cheaper, and this one very heavy. And the important we upgrade the quick change lattice holder and the platform. The platform we have the 3 can, a 4 can, and the first one is like this one, the blank. And this is our first machine. Install the platform is here. And second, we use steel and use electric engraving the line as in the platform, and never missing the line. And also the size is small, about 100 millimeter. In this one, 125 millimeters. And it for the small size products. And for the next, we also plan to make this sliding holder in here. And now is this sliding holder, the holder is for this 2-size platform. And okay, this is about the platform. And also can screw fix in the board. And next we introduce the adjuster. When we get the machine, we need to adjust the height, and for the back size, the screws also can release. This big one, now here, screws. It will automatically slide down. Once we release this back side screws, we also can check the balance. And for the balance, we can put the back of the platform. For the balance, we need to check the here. Use the foil paper. If you don't have the foil paper, you also can use the normal papers. Now put it in here, and not touch. So, and here I can check the space. Here the space, no space. That means the balance well. Now here's balance, and then here is no space. Now the balance is not well. And how we adjust, we have the 2 solutions. The one is lose the 4 screw for adjust, and the second one is lose this screws. We think the easy way is for here. Now it can take out also. Now the balance. We put the paper in here and up this. And also make it in right position, and the paper can't move. Then the balance is well. Then we can lock the screws. This is a simply adjust the balance. And also some customers said I want to stop, can't up. Now you just how to add up. You can push the hand like this, and it's one hand push and other side lock. Then we can adjust stamping work. Okay, and other side is adjust the balance, while here's the screws. First we need to loosen all the screws. Okay, now our screws is loose, and now we need to adjust the balance. Also we need to put it down by the back of the head. Loose the back side screws. Okay, now here normal status, and first we need to lock the bottom screws. Not too tightly, use the hand is okay. And first lock the bottom screws. And then lock the 4 pieces up. Remember, not too tightly. If too tightly, will also make the balance not well. Just lock is okay. Okay, now the same way up in about this size, and look. Now we check the balance. Now, I'll touch the platform. Instead the balance not well, it's adjust well. And for the platform, we use this small one and just first not C4, and this A5 platform. And also with a sliding holder here with screws, and they can move and easily for the make position. Now here for the line, and the front and back by the holder, you can first make the position, lock the holders, and can every time put here and also make the same position for the printing work. And this is for the F5 platform, and this normal customer use. And this one is big A4, like the A4 is means A4 paper size, and look like this here, it's very big. And for usually work for the books, notebooks, and also can lock. And the books put in here, and big the work space. Okay, the platform we introduce to here, and next I introduce how to use the temperature. For the stamping like the laser products, usually the temperature not too high, about 110 to 113 is okay. And push the time and use the letters. For the setting temperature, I introduce simply. Okay, about the plug, we also can prepare. This is the Australia plug, also US also the machine in 110 volt, and the England and the Euro plug also can have. And first connect the voltage here and the back side, and the back side with this is change the plug. Okay, and now the power switch, and this light means the temperature once the heating tube starts to heat, and this light's on, and once stop heating means reach the temperature with setting, and this light stop light. And temperature and PV means the status temperature. Now status temperature is 17, and set SV means the we set temperature. Now I press set, and this SV flash. That means we can change the temperature with request. For example, we change 110, this 5 is light, and the others flash. It means 5 light we can change, and this bottom area it means reduce, and this for up, for add the numbers. Now 1. Okay. If we want to change this digital, we press this buttons, and 0 and 1, 2, 3, 410. Now of course we needn't this so high. Usually 1 and 10 is okay, and press after setting, press set will be okay. Now status temperature 53. Very quickly reach the temperatures. The light green means the heating tube is working. And for this touch screen for the limiter distance. Also, if you put it down, it will limit the hold. And now the temperature. Now the light will flash. That means that the temperature will almost around 110. Also, this holder we can make a single line, and a double line, and for use is very easy. And also we have this type screws. Also have this type screws. This tape will save the widest. You see, this is more widest, and this is the first thing, and your workspace is small. So usually we change this screws, and for the winch. Now the temperature started change. That means it's still heat. And for the letters put in and quick change. Now here it's very hot. And put in is very quickly take out, and for change letters, and after putting in, you can lock. You can lock also, not lock is also okay by the choice. And lock is very easy, and it can take out, and as it is. Also, some customers say this space not enough. For example, I want stamping the information here, and put and holder. How to print in here? This holder. Now I can help you. You can change the height from this side. And change the direction, and in here, and then we can work. You understand? Okay. Now the temperature around the 110, and stop heating. Okay. The operates almost like this. Any question? You can contact to us. Also, you can have any suggestion and more ideas. You can contact to me, and we will do better, best on your support. Okay, thank you for your watching the videos.